direct into the stream.
Kaseng hinyo trip Youth Council ha kesengi baat kelaberngam bakan sa Ïaid dakalenti Jong Pyrshah ia ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hapo ke jingalam Jong Kongrat ke sangma lada kamla ban penduna no ia ke jing pelut pensep ki bamdan kam setia ha ke baidai bat ki board rekam Sorkar ki bamlar kam AARUM. Kini kalalong hadien baka RTI lani ka hok banyo jingtip balale da ka HYC kala penpau baka Sorkar kala penlut palat ia ka saw point saw puar kelur tingka halor ke Meghalaya Economic Development Council bat halor ke Meghalaya Resource and Employment Generation Council ki bamshim lano senyang AARUM sya ka jilla hakini ki sansnem baladem. Haba jingkren shikinong patay kubor u General Secretary ke Seng HYC u Roy kupar sinrem uladawa ba u menteri rangba Jong ke jela u day ban shim yakilat kilenti ban penbet no yakine ban penduna yak jinglut jingsep hakum kini ki judge committee commission council bat kiwei ki bamdan kano ke jingno senyang ki bamentoy yak Sorkar ne yak jela baro kawei.
We have filed an RTI with the planning department, only with the planning department, to know how many of those appointments have been, of those persons who have been made as chairman, co-chairman, vice chairman, deputy chairman, into the various council or commission, only within the planning department. The reply that we got is, there are two councils under the planning department. One is known as the Meghalaya Economic Development Council, with a chairman who is the sitting MLA and other co-chairman, deputy chairman and vice chairman. There is another one which is known as the Meghalaya Resource and Employment Generation Council,